Good morning, friends. I am Anand Gyanbote. I am here with you providing tomorrow's call because I am going to out of station today at the evening. So I am recording this video in the morning. So I am here with you for providing tomorrow's call. So before giving the tomorrow's call, just I need to take an analysis of our yesterday's calls. I think most of the clients has booked us so much profit yesterday, and they are happy with the profits. And they have traded a large quantity yesterday and made a thousands of rupees profit on a single intraday call. So I recommend you. So you can take an advantage of that and train with us. So I am always ready for give you training. So market is very simple to trade, and if you know the what is going on the market, and the market really it's very interesting and very simple to trade if you know the techniques of how to trade and how much margin is required to trade. So our fees is very less as compared to others. So I am a independent trader and I am not an company's analyst or anything. I am an independent analyst. So most of the clients of me right now, they are happy with their accounts, and they have, I think, recovered their 50% losses till now after the training was given in around 15 days to 1 month. So I have trained so many people right now. So I don't want to tell you how many people I have trained, but I think the most of the time when I give the training, so they are not anything known about the market, and they just open the account and start investing from 10,000, from 5,000, from 20,000, and they start making the money for first few days. After first few days, they get into the losses and the holy grail system. So to be a consistent profitable, I always recommend you. So you should know about the market, and a market is very interesting to trade and very simple to trade, I think. So because of my friendly nature with my clients, so I always tell you about truth about the market and what is meant by stop loss and where to place your stop loss and where to put your targets. So according to me, the market is very interesting and very simple to trade. So you should need a time frame to trade and you should take an advantage of that. So before discussing anything, so I'm not wasting your time for your tomorrow's call. So I'm here with taking an analysis of our yesterday's call. Okay. So friends, I have given 4 calls to trade yesterday. So I always recommend go with the Nifty's trend, and Nifty was opened around 30 to 40 points down, and suddenly it starts consolidating up to 20 points, around 23 points it has recovered. But after the 2 or I think 2 or 2:30, the news was started of American trading war. For that, fear was created in the market, and the market suddenly fall, and most of the clients has taken advantage of that. Those I have trained to them. So where you will get a shorting opportunity. So you should take an advantage of that and you should make the money. So I have given the BPCL for buy, but BPCL for buy I have given. It has hit over all the targets. I have given the target 1 in BPCL. It's 656, and I have given the stop loss of 632. So it has came up to 642 and it was open around 643, that is gap down opening, and it has hit our first target of 656 and second target of 662, and it has made high of 679 rupees and closed around 675 rupees. Okay, so still there is a strong momentum can be expected in BPCL around 680 to 695 level. So if you are holding this stock, then definitely you will get that the price 685 to 690. But what happened yesterday in the market? So market has suddenly fall that I think the stock will correct up to 660 or 650 again. So you can take an advantage of that and you can re-enter again in BPCL. Okay, friends. So I have recommended BHEL according to a rule. So we should not trade on BPCL and BHEL because of Nifty is going down. Still, the market has gone up in BPCL, and BPCL we have not traded. I have not traded, but most of my clients has traded. I have not traded the BPCL, and BHEL also I was not traded. So BPCL was closed around 179 yesterday, and it was opened around 178.95, and I have given the first target of 183, and I have given the stop loss of 174. So the stop loss was hit, and this call and target was not done because of bearish momentum and Nifty's falling trend. So I always recommend you don't enter in buy call or buy trade if the Nifty is falling, and you should always enter in the trend according to the Nifty. If the Nifty is rising, then you have to play buy calls. If the Nifty is falling, you have to play the sell calls. So I will show you the momentum in our other two calls. So this is the ITC. I have given the sell call for ITC, and 274. I think it was closing price on yesterday, and it was opened around 273. So I have shorted around 273 to 273.10 in the morning, and I have covered my shorts around 271 because I have seen the correction in Nifty. So that's why I have opened. I have closed my position around 271. So I have gained 2 points in that, and I have traded 500 quantities in that. After that, it was suddenly came up and down, and it starts consolidating around 272 level. Okay, friends. So this is the Coal India. I have recommended sell Coal India. Coal India was closed around 286 rupees, and I have given the stop loss of 290 rupees. The first target of 282 it was achieved, and the second target 280 was also almost achieved, 280.10. So what we do in the market, we trail the stop losses according to our if the second target was not done, but it has closed on 283, so our position was got covered around 282. So we have made a 4-point profit in that, 4 to 6 point profit in that. So to be a consistent profitable in the market, you should know the trend, and you should know the technique how to trade. So I am always ready with you for giving you training. So my fees are very less. Only 5,000 rupees is my fees for training. So if you want to get trained with us, you can contact me on my contact details. So why I am giving the free calls? So because of most of our Maharashtrian people are getting into the losses because of they are not knowing the market, and they enter into the market. And for my Maharashtrian people, I always loved one, and the other, I don't want to take the name of the other state, those who are master in trading, and they are taking the advantage of that, and they will pull out the market money from the market, and they are getting the money, and they are becoming richer. They are becoming the richer and richer again and again. So our Maharashtrian people, the nature of Maharashtrian people is you should know if you are Maharashtrian. So the nature of Maharashtrian people, you should know always. They are if someone is going in some a good way, so the other people start jealousy, and they start to taking him down, and start to losing his confidence. So that is the trend of our Maharashtrian people, and that is the nature of our Maharashtrian people. So for those people, I am giving you a free calls. So most of the people are trading on that call, and I think my calls was already coming on TV. But before the call came on TV, I am giving that call on you yesterday. So you should know that tomorrow's call one day before. So that is my technique, and how this technique, if you want to know how this technique you can adopt, then you can contact me, and you should trend with us. Okay, so our fees are very less. Very soon I am increasing my fees. So before increase of fees, you should take a training, and you can take an advantage of that. Okay, friends. So I have selected Bank of Baroda tomorrow, for sell, and Sun Pharma Sun Pharmaceuticals for sell. So Bank of Baroda and Sun Pharma I have selected for selling shorting opportunity. So you have to sell, you have to take a sell position or short trade in Bank of Baroda or Sun Pharma. And I have selected Infratel for buy, and Tata Consultancy Services, that is TCS, for buy also. Okay, so I am having the time right now, so I am giving you opening the chart here. So I am opening the chart of Bank of Baroda here. The chart is loading, so we have to wait for a few seconds to load the chart. So this is the daily chart. I'm closing this for seeing you momentum. So this is the day, this is 5 minute. I need to change it to 1 day. So I always recommend 1 day time frame. So the Bank of Baroda, if you notice the Bank of Baroda yesterday, the profit booking has started, and the correction was also started in the into the stock. So I think the stock will fall tomorrow up to the current CMP is 168.65, and I think there is a risk in this call. But if you do not take the risk in the market, you will not get the profit. Okay. So what happened here? If you know the support and resistance, it has suddenly came up to the support level around. It has made a low of 167, and it suddenly goes to closed here around the pivot point 169, and 169 is a strong support. I think now it is a strong support, but the candle and the volume, I have seen the 90% of the delivery, those who have taken, they have exited from now from the Bank of Baroda. They have booked a profit around 1672 or 174 level. So I recommend the stock will fall tomorrow. My first target of Bank of Baroda is I have calculated one target for Bank of Baroda is 164. So this is my first target, and the second target I am looking for Bank of Baroda is 160. It's 160. If you want to hold the stock, then you should take a future for holding the Bank of Baroda second target. So I think the first target will achieve, and for second target you need to hold your position in future. Okay, so you cannot take a position short trade on intraday basis. So that is a short action of delivery. So you can trade on future also. Okay friends, so and stop loss I am recommending for Bank of Baroda is 171 rupees. So this is a very small stop loss. I think 171 from 168 is a 3-point stop loss, and you are getting the 4 to 5 points in that. So my risk to reward is very good, I think. So I have selected Sun Pharma for sell. So I am opening the chart of Sun Pharma. So this is the daily chart of Sun Pharma. So if you notice, the Sun Pharma has a break its support, and it has closed around 665 point, or no, it has closed around 674, I think, or 665. So I think the current market price was 674, and the stop loss you have to maintain around 682 level. Okay friends, 682 is my stop loss for tomorrow, and it has closed around 674 rupees, I think 667 or 674, I don't know what is the closing price. You should check the closing price. So no, the closing price was 665.95 rupees. Okay, so I have calculated one target for it. The first target I am looking for it 682, sorry, 660. 660 is my first target, and the second target I am looking for is 652. 652, even the stock will go up to 649, but I should recommend you should close your trade around 652, because you should not get that 649, and if the price will come to 649, you should be in the market for seeing that price. And if you place the order around 649, so it will come to 649.60 and will go up again. Okay, so you should close your trade around 652. So maintain the stop loss of 680, 6882, or this is if you think the stop loss is very small, it's very large, so you should make your stop loss around 640 674 rupees. Okay, you can maintain 680 or 683, you should stop loss. Okay friends, this is our second call in Sun Pharma, and third call I have generated is Infratel. You have to buy the Infratel tomorrow. The Infratel was closed around 374.60. So this is a strong uptrend I am saying here, but the volume was not getting stronger, so it takes a time, and I am looking for the first target in Infratel tomorrow is 355. So I am not going to be able to show you the target, so you should here, and you should note down the target is the first target I am looking for in Infratel is 355, and the second target I am looking for is 360 rupees, 360, and you have to maintain the stop loss is around 340 rupees. Okay, 340 rupees is my stop loss, and you should remember, if the Nifty is falling, so you should play sell calls only, and the Nifty is falling, you should play buy calls only. So what happens we don't know, and I am always trying to give my clients what about the Nifty's prediction, how the Nifty will open and how the market will behave. So, and I am also apart from these 4 calls, I am also giving you a live calls, and if you want the live calls from the market, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will give you my WhatsApp number very soon in the next slide. Okay, you should message me. So I need live calls, and you should provide your name also to save into my mobile number, so adding into the traders list. Okay, so I have not created a group of traders, I have created a broadcast list, so you will get the message from it. Okay friends, so this is about the Infratel. I have selected TCS for buy tomorrow. TCS, I am very positive on TCS, and with a very good company, and TCS was currently closed around 2429.05. I am looking for the first target of 2469. 2469 is my first target, or 2466 also, you can calculate the first target also, and I am looking for the second target is around 2521. 2521 is my second target. So I think the first target will achieve tomorrow, because the 60 rupees movement, 30 rupees movement is very common in this 3000 rupees stock. For making the 60 rupees movement, I think you have to hold for 2521 rupees. So if you want to hold, you can hold it for 2521 with a stop loss of 2400. And if you are holding, I will recommend you should place your stop loss around if you are holding the stock for 2521 target, after tomorrow you should maintain the stop loss of 2430. Okay, so currently 2429 is market is going, and if the first target was achieved and it was closed around 2465 or 2470 level, so you should place the stop loss of 2450, so you can cut your position in profits. Okay friends, so these are the 4 calls. So I am giving you my contact details here. You are knowing my contact details already. My contact details are www.trainingteacher.in is my website. You can contact me on the contact page also, and my email address is trainingteacher2016@gmail.com. And my website is having one link in the left hand side section for training. You have to click on that training, and you have to select which type of training you are requiring, and you have to pay the training fees on in my bank account, or you can send me the money on Paytm also. So the training is a 1-day training program for existing traders, and for new traders, those who have opened their account for 1 month, I am giving you the 1-day training, and I am taking on support for live from AnyDesk or TeamViewer. So 1-day training program will give you a lot of things, but most of the people think in 1 day how it is possible to learn the market. So if you are existing trader, if you are already traded and you have making the loss in the market, so you can train in 1 day, you can get trained in 1 day. And if you are new trader, you don't know about the market, so in the first 1 day of training program, you will get a basic introduction and very simple techniques to trade into the market. And after after taken training from me for new traders, and they can I am always with support with them via TeamViewer or via Skype or which type of live training program, live softwares are available on computer or a mobile phone. So you should not think about how we can get trained in one day. So I am having that much caliber to train the people, and currently I am a professor in engineering college. So my main motto and my main job profile is teaching the students of engineering. So how to teach, I know very well. Okay, and I am getting the how many of students are understood and how many students are not understood. So I can read you from your face on after the training. So if you want the training program, so my training fees are very less. You can take an advantage of that. I am increasing my training fees very soon. So you can take an advantage of that. Okay, so my contact details and my WhatsApp number are given here, so you can directly call me on this number also, or you can WhatsApp message for live calls. So you don't forget to provide your name, so I will giving you free intraday market calls. Okay friends, that's all for now. So I am going out of station today, so I am giving you these calls to you into the morning. Okay friends, that's all for now. Bye bye from tradingteacher.in. We will meet you on Monday evening. Okay friends, bye bye. Friends, listen, one thing I had forgotten to told you that most of our subscribers are increasing. Now 146 subscribers are there. For increasing the Maharashtrian people, you should share this link of this video to your friends and colleagues also. So for increasing subscribers and for training the Maharashtrian people, and you should write and comment on this video, and how you are experiencing the market, and how your profits are going upward direction. So I am taking a lot of efforts to generate the call. I am giving my more time. I am giving my more time to generate the calls. So you should take 1 minute for that, and to write the comment and like the calls. Okay friends, and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share this link. Okay friends, bye bye.